Hey everybody, it's Brandon, your local carpet dyeing and repair expert. Right now I'm going to show you how we dye carpet, specifically bleach spots, to a perfect color match. We use the world's richest dyes. We don't use markers or paint or pastel crayons or any other things you might see on YouTube videos. So we're able to create a perfect color match and very intricately dye these bleach spots back to the original color. They're completely odorless. They're completely permanent. They'll never bleed or fade. And you can walk on it immediately after the dyes are applied without having to worry about them coming off onto your white socks or anything like that. Right now we are at a high-end hotel fixing several bleach spots in different rooms. I guess the maids had dropped some, they left a trail of bleach and we're just here to fix it for them. So there you go. This is obviously slightly damp to the touch. We'll vacuum that up real quick and then it'll be dry in just a matter of minutes and it'll be the same exact color as this dry carpet over here. Thanks for watching.